Hello, third grade, and welcome to Positive Action. We're going to continue looking at physical and intellectual positive actions for a healthy self-concept. Remember that self-concept is how you think and feel about yourself. Your job as a student is to attend school. School is a place you gain new information and knowledge you will use for the rest of your lives. Every time you attend, pay attention and try hard. Every time you try to learn something new, if you fail and then try again, you are doing positive actions. Seeking knowledge meets a need for a healthy, happy mind. Your mind grows as it gains knowledge. Every mind needs to grow. Just like a plant needs sunlight to grow, our brains need knowledge to grow and stay strong and keep us happy. Attending school is a positive action because it gives you the chance to learn new things, which is something we all need in order to have healthy, happy minds. Now on your class kick, you will see a couple of questions. And what I want you to do today is answer some of these questions. We will be looking at them again next week and sharing with each other. I'll be sharing on our video what some people responded. So whatever you're putting in here, we'll be sharing in the next video. So I want you to ask yourself and think, what different kinds of information can you learn at school? What kind of things do you learn? What things have you learned so far in school that you will use for the rest of your life? Think of some things that you've learned that if you didn't come to school, you wouldn't know how to do. How do you feel about yourself when you learn something new? Do you get that happy feeling when you learn something new and feel confident about it? After you answer these 3 questions, we will go over these next week and talk about how our idea of school is different from other students. And see if we find anything interesting that we can learn from our peers.